Good morning, student. How are you doing? Hope you are doing very well. So today, from the book Tell Me Why, we will learn our conversation part. So we will be learning about my new school year. Okay, so this will be your new year. You went to your new class. You found your new friends. Okay, so my new school year is the name of the chapter. My, M-Y, my, N-E-W, new, S-C-H-O-O-L, school, Y-E-A-R, year. My new school year. मेरा new school का year. Okay? So what is this first written in this book kind of picture? What is written? It is written M-Y, my, N-A-M-E, name. My name. आपका नाम. आपको यहाँ पे आपका नाम लिखना है. You have to write your name. What is your name? You have to write your name. Okay? And next to it is written my new teacher. So, what is your new teacher's name? I'll write it for you. Your new teacher name is Mrs. M-R-S. What is the spelling of Mrs.? M-R-S. Mrs. Dot C. Dot Moitra. M-O-I-T-R-A. So what is your new teacher name? Mrs. C. Moitra. Moitra ma'am. Okay. Now we will come to our next question. What is written? S-O-M-E, some, T-H-I-N-G, thing. Something. I-W-A-N-T, want. T-O-2, L-E-A-R-N, learn. T-H-I-S, this. Y-E-A-R, ear. Something I want to learn this year. So it is asking, what do you want to learn this year? Okay. So you can write whatever you want to learn. You can write, I want to learn how to speak very nicely in English. So you can write speaking nicely. You can write, I want to learn how to draw nicely. You can write drawing. You can say, I want to learn swimming this year. You can write swimming. So you can write anything. You can write, I want to learn dance this year. You can write dancing. I will give you some of the example by writing. You can choose any and write anything. Okay. So you can write like dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. You can write speaking nicely. Speaking in English. S-P-E-A-K-I-N-G. Speaking English. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. You can write swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. You can write karate also. K-A-R-A-T-E. You can write singing. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. So here are some of the example. You can write any of it, or you can write on your own. Something I want to learn. And this etc means etc. etc means और भी बहुत कुछ. I want to learn. So आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो इसमें से या अपनी choice. Okay. Now we will move to next question. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. I know. K-N-O-W is know. I-N in. T-H-I-S this. C-L-A-S-S class. Friends I know in this class. Means आपको अपने उन friends का नाम लिखना है जो आप जिन्हें जानते हो. So you have to fill this. आपको अपने फ्रेंड्स के नाम, आपके जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होंगे जिनके साथ आप टिफिन शेयर करते हो, आप उनके साथ सिटिंग शेयर करते हो, उनका नाम आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. ओके, फ्रेंड्स आई नो इन दिस क्लास. नाउ मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. My favorite subject. Okay, what is your favorite subject? You can write anything. You can write English, Hindi, Maths, GK, drawing class, games class, PT class, anything. Whatever your favorite subject, you can write anything. Okay. Then, what is written here? My, 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 favorite. This means favorite. Favorite means आपको जो सबसे अच्छा लगता है. Then lunch. LUNCH. मतलब आपको lunch. Lunch मतलब one is breakfast जो हम early morning उठने के बाद खाते हैं. One is lunch जो हम afternoon में खाते हैं. And one is dinner जो हम night में खाते हैं. तो what is your favorite lunch? आपको आफ्टरनून में क्या खाना अच्छा लगता है? You can write anything like rice, dal, paratha, curd, vegetable, anything. Whatever you like. Your favorite lunch name. Okay? You can write paneer. You can write anything. Whatever is your favorite. जो आपको खाना सबसे पसंद है. Chips, anything. Something, 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 IN, SCHOOL, school, THAT, that, FIND, find, LOVELY, lovely. Something in school that I find lovely. कुछ ऐसी चीज जो आपको स्कूल में बहुत पसंद है. What do you find very lovely? Like you can write my playground, where you go out and play. You can write library, where you sit and study. Or anything else you want to write, you can write that also. That you like your ground where you play, that you like your library where you study, or you can write your classroom. You can even find your classroom very nice, because we every day meet there, sit with our friends, we study there. So you can also write your class. I love my class. I find it very lovely. Your class. Anything you can write. Okay? So this was your chapter of my new school year. So you have to fill all this. Your name, your teacher's name, what you want to learn, friends that you know in the class. Then you will fill your subject. Then you will write your favorite lunch, what you like to eat. And then comes something school that I find lovely. Okay? So this was your my new school year. Now this is your table manners. Table manners comes in conversation part. Okay? TABLE, table. MANNER is manners. What is the meaning of manner? Manner is when you behave in a nice way, in a disciplined way, in a appropriate way, in ethical way. जब आप बहुत अच्छे से कहीं पे कोई काम करते हो, उसको कहते हैं टेबल मैनर्स. टेबल मतलब, टेबल मीन्स यू नो, जिसपे हम कोई चीज़ रख के खाते हैं या पढ़ाई करते हैं, स्टडी करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज टेबल. एंड मैनर्स मीन्स हाउ यू बिहेव, आपका बिहेवियर पैटर्न. टेबल मैनर्स. तो आज हम गुड टेबल मैनर्स पढ़ेंगे. ओके? फर्स्ट इज, can you see the picture? There is this man sitting with a yellow napkin in his lap. It is written, napkin in your lap. You remember while you used to come in school, we used to say, bring your napkin, keep it on the table, don't keep your tiffin box directly on the table so that place does not become dirty. Same way this man has kept the napkin on his lap. उसने अपने नैपकिन को अपने पैर के ऊपर रखा है. So what will happen if by chance while eating food the food gets down, it does not ruin the cloth. अगर खाना खाते वक्त खाना गिर गए आपके पैर के ऊपर, तो वहाँ पे नैपकिन है, इससे आपके क्लोथ्स डर्टी नहीं होंगे. So what is our first good table manner? Napkin in your lap. Second, ELBOWS. Where is the elbow? Yes, this is the elbow. OFF, of, THE, the, TABLE, table, AND, and, SIT sit, UP up, TALL tall. Elbows off the table and sit up tall. Remember, while teaching in class, we always used to say, students sit straight, students don't touch the table, students don't lie on the table, you have to sit straight, don't touch the table while studying. So here also a good table manner says we should not keep our elbows and sit एकदम ऐसे लेट के टेबल पे आप नहीं बैठते हो. यू हैव टू सिट स्ट्रेट ऑन द चेयर विदाउट टचिंग द टेबल ऑफ द elbows. Okay, with the elbows you should not touch it. Third, chew, 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 WITH, with, YOUR, your, MOUTH, mouth, closed, CLOSED. Where is your mouth? That is the mouth. Can you see? That is a closed mouth. So chew with your mouth closed. आपको मुंह बंद रख के आपके लिप्स को क्लोज करके खाना खाना चाहिए. आप अगर माउथ ओपन करके फूड ईट करोगे तो इट विल ऑलवेज मेक अ ईटिंग साउंड, एंड ईटिंग साउंड कंसिडर्ड एज बैड टेबल मैनर. सो वाइल ईटिंग फूड, खाना खाते समय आपको टॉक नहीं करना चाहिए. मैम कहती है ना, डोंट टॉक वाइल ईटिंग, क्योंकि टॉक करेंगे तो माउथ ओपन हो जाएगा एंड दैट कम्स इन अ बैड मैनर्स. सो ऑलवेज च्यू विथ योर माउथ क्लोज्ड. नेक्स्ट, FOOD, food, TO2, MOUTH, mouth, NOT, not, MOUTH, mouth, TO2, FOOD, food. Food to mouth, not mouth to food. Meaning food to mouth मतलब food मुंह तक, आपके फूड को आपके माउथ तक जाना है, ना कि NOT, not, माउथ से फूड टेबल पे आपके वापस आएगा, आपके प्लेट पे वापस आएगा. खाना हमेशा आपके प्लेट से आपके माउथ के अंदर जाएगा. माउथ का खाना कभी वापस हमको प्लेट पे नहीं रखना चाहिए. दैट कंसिडर्ड एज बैड टेबल मैनर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट, प्लीज एंड थैंक यू. आपको हमेशा प्लीज एंड थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए. यू रिमेंबर वाइल टीचिंग इन क्लास, व्हाट डू वी से? वी से थैंक यू, वी से प्लीज मैम, प्लीज कैन यू गिव मी साइट, or you say please excuse me, or after someone help you, what ma'am ask you to say. अगर आपको कोई हेल्प करता है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं उसको? थैंक यू. तो प्लीज एंड थैंक यू शुड बी यूज. इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज गुड मैनर्स. WAIT, wait, FOR, for, YOUR, your, TUR in turn, TO2, TL के talk. Wait for your turn to talk. Remember, every day during morning circle time, what do we say? Wait for your turn. Or when you want to answer in a group, what do we say? Raise your hand, wait for your turn. Don't say in a group. So wait for your turn to talk. आपको आपके टर्न के लिए वेट करना चाहिए. कोई बात करता है तो उसके बीच में we should never speak. It is considered as bad manners. Next, DONT, don't, COMPLAI in complain, ABOUT, about, THE the, FOOD, food. Don't complain about the food. मतलब आपको आपके फूड के लिए कंप्लेन नहीं करना चाहिए. आपको जो भी खाना मिलता है, यू शुड ऑलवेज बी हैप्पी एंड थैंकफुल टू योर पेरेंट्स एंड टू गॉड दैट यू हैव गॉट योर फूड. You should never say कि food is bad, I don't like this food, this is not my favorite food. We should always be happy. Okay? TAKE, take, JUST, just, RIGST, right, BITES, bites. Take just right bites. मतलब इन अ वे आपको एक टाइम पे जितना आपके माउथ के अंदर फूड ईट कर सकते हो उतना ही पुट करना चाहिए. एक्सेस फूड पुट करने से क्या होता है, फिर वो हो जाएगा आपका माउथ टू फूड, आपके माउथ से फूड बाहर गिर सकता है. इसलिए आपको एक बार में उतना ही खाना चाहिए जितना आपके माउथ में इजीली आ सके, जिसको आप च्यू कर सको. नेक्स्ट, TAKE, take, UP, up, YOUR, your, DISHES, dishes, WHEN, when, FINISHED, finished, EATING, eating. Take up your dishes when finished eating. मीन्स आपको जो भी आपने प्लेट पे फूड ईट किया है और जो स्पून बाउल आपने सब यूज़ किया है, आपको उसे खुद उठा के वॉश बेसिन में रखना चाहिए. You should not just eat and left your tiffin box or your food plate on the table. You should always clean up the place you have eaten. So what is this? This is called table manners. This is called table manners. So this is just a practical thing which you need to learn. Okay? Basic golden rules of table manner. And this is my new school year. You will get the picture to learn and also to write. If you have the book, you can do it in your book. If you have your copy, you can do it in your copy. And if you want, you can take the printout of this page. Okay? Thank you. Have a very nice day. Stay safe.